This is a game changer. I am super excited. I found an online resource to order custom glass for your shower. So if you're building a custom shower, having a bench or a knee wall, or have some oddball configuration, you can now order everything online. And best of all is that you're able to just give some rough measurements of your shower and they're gonna do all the deductions for you. So it takes a lot of the scary work out of measuring because you're just basically getting the entire enclosure. So I'm going to show you a couple of tips on measuring, and then I'm going to show you about the whole process of ordering this and installing this. This truly is a big game changer. So whether you're a contractor or a DIYer, this is really going to take the stress out of it, and I think you're going to save a ton of money by doing something like this yourself. But you're going to measure right at the top and just get your accurate measurement. Don't deduct anything, just make it is what it is. So we got 58 and 5/8. Now we have a bench here, but if you didn't have a bench, you would go all the way down to the floor and measure to the wall. But since we do have a bench, we're just gonna measure right to the top of the bench. 58 and 9/16. So that's 1/16 off from this measurement. If you are above 3/16 of an inch difference, you're going to want to note that, and we'll show you in the computer where you're going to note that. But that's basically if you're really unplumb for any reason. So looking at this, you can see we're really plumb. So if this was like 3/16 out, you know, something like this, then you're going to want to note that. But we have a nice plumb wall there. That's why we have those even distances. You also just want to check this side as well. You can see that's nice and level. Also want to determine how level your actual floor is, and we're pretty level. I mean, that might be a 1/16 maybe. That's all within reason. And we got 46 inches. The other thing you want to determine is your bench height. So put your level on there. See how much of a slope I have. So you want to make sure that you raise this to level. This is the high point of the bench, so you want to make sure that you're basically having the glass at the longest point from that point. So make sure that you raise this to level. 19 and 13/16. And then we also need our measurement to the wall here. So just put it level on there. And we got 12 1/4, and we have the total height. We're gonna make that 72 inches for the height of our shower doors. So the online site really doesn't get much simpler than this. You pretty much just put all those measurements into the diagram that they have set up here. Everything's down to the 16th inch. So make sure that you accurately measure to that measurement. But this really gives you peace of mind because you're not dealing with any deductions. They're going to do all of that for you within this, and it really makes it simple. So then you can go ahead and choose the different selections for it. You can go with 1/2 inch glass or 3/8 inch glass. They have different flavors of the glass as well, along with the different finishes on the hardware. So very simple. And what's really great, you can just look this up before you construct your shower and get a price of what this might cost you. They actually are very upfront with the price. So you can just use this as purposes of saying, hey, what is my shower going to really cost me if I go ahead and do this custom bench? This would be a great resource to be able to help evaluate what custom glass would be done. So you just add it to the cart and then you purchase it. They will get back to you. One of the techs will get back to you with a diagram of the glass to make sure all your measurements are what you need. So really doesn't get any simpler than that. I've been looking for something like this for decades now, and now it's accessible to anybody. And like I said, it's definitely going to save you hundreds of dollars doing this. So this is awesome. This is how it comes on a pallet, a 6-foot pallet. So there's no more stress of actually getting it to your home. They actually just ship it here on a tailgated tractor trailer. But this is just unbelievably less time consuming and less dangerous transporting glass. There's the glass bench, or the fixed panel. Very nice. And there's the door. Very nice. So I'd say my first big tip on installation is handling the glass. Just be very delicate with this. You want to keep this off of the tile surface. It's really easy to chip, so make sure you have some shims in packaging to make sure that you don't sit it on the hard surface. Now, when it comes to setting the fixed panel, I highly recommend using the U-channel. It really does simplify the installation and it allows you to overcome anything that you might have a little bit off on your shower bench or wall. It also provides an easier way to be able to adjust the fixed panel to be even with your shower doors. So there's a lot more flexibility with U-channel. Just be sure that when you're constructing like a shower bench or anything that is you're gonna be drilling into, you want to make sure that it's 100% waterproof. And one of the things that we did on this shower bench is we did it out of a full foam 2-inch blocking, where it's completely waterproof, so we're able to run those screws straight into it. Now, I do have a lot more in-depth information on how to go about installing these shower doors on my online course that provides everything really step-by-step and guides you through the entire process. But this quick tip video is really just for that, just to be able to show you the process overall. But using hinges for your shower doors, I think really is an awesome way to go. It really simplifies the installation. It also allows things to swing in and out, so it makes it easier if somebody was in the shower and they needed help. You can swing open the door and be able to help them. Hold it in the But really, yeah, the fixed panel just basically gets affixed with silicone in that U-channel. That provides a nice solid anchoring once that sets up. But again, you're able to adjust the shower panels to align nicely with one another, and it makes it really simple to do. But yeah, I always loved installing these type of shower doors. It always highlighted like an extra, beautiful aspect to the shower. The 3/8-inch glass is really heavy duty, really thick, durable, and it's something that's going to really last for years to come. So definitely check out glasssupply.com. I was really impressed with their service and their overall process of ordering this. Really simplified it, and I hope this saves you some money. And thanks so much, and I really appreciate you watching the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks so much.